Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, Hlumelo has to humble himself and ask for help from people who want him against his shady dealings. Nontle's relationship prospects blur when Sonabile doesn't give her a clear action plan. On Tuesday, the baby's kidnapping creates a wedge between Hlumelo and Nozuko. How Nontle's family sees her boyfriend is starting to affect Nontle as well as how she views him. On Wednesday, Hlumelo promises Nozuko that he will do everything to bring their baby back home. Nontle is so determined to get married that she offers a broke Sonabile for her Lobola. On Thursday, Matilda is not happy as she watches Stokkie and Nobomi's blossoming friendship. Nontle refuses to let tradition get in the way of her happiness. On Friday, Stokkie tells Matilda how he feels about her. The Makwetus and Hlandra officially become family. Simkita celebrates Hlumelo's loss. Thank you for watching.